Conditions are really important when you are trading. If you have been following me from couple of months, then you guys know that I only enter trades once I have a bullish or bearish confirmation. I do not enter nowhere in the market. I always wait, and I always advise you guys to enter once we have an entry confirmation. I do not enter nowhere in the market. So as per my previous analysis, let me show you what I've said in my previous video so that we can connect the dots, and you guys can able to identify when to enter and when not to. Market is using this 50 EMA as a support. Every time when it hits the 50 EMA, take short entries or to take sell entries, we need to see a break and close below the previous low. For that, we have a confirmation that the market can retest and continue its trend down. Look for sell trades once we break this previous low or once we are below 50 EMA, wherever the 50 EMA is on your charts. You can plot that on your charts, and once we have a break below 50 EMA, I will look for a retest and I will look for sell trade. Okay, so what did I say in my previous video? I've said that I'm expecting this 50 EMA to act as a support, and I expect the market to shoot up. So if you know, I always wait for the bullish confirmation. In this case, if you see the market when the market was in the uptrend, since we had this double bottom trade, you can see the market moved up, acted as support. This 50 EMA, we have this bullish candle, we have this buying confirmation. Market moved up. We had a pullback. You can see we have this green candle from this 50 EMA. It is not an entry candle, but we have this bullish pressure from this 50 EMA. Market moved up, we came down, we had a pullback, we had this green candle, we have this consolidation move, we have this engulfing candle right here. Market moved up, market came down, and yesterday we didn't get any sort of bullish pressure from this 50 EMA. Even though we had this consolidation, market breaks right through to 50 EMA, and we had a break of previous low as mentioned in my previous video. Once we had a break of previous low, I expect to see a market to push down. So right now we didn't have a close of this candle. This candle will close in 1 hour. If it closes here below this point, then yes, I expect a move down as expected to this green zone, which is 4.294 and goes down to 4.165. I expect a push down to the zone from where I will look for a buying confirmation. Again, guys, conditions are really important for me. I will not enter when the market hit this green zone. I will not enter straight away. I will only wait for the bullish pressure to take long entries. For me, bullish pressure is engulfer, a pin bar, or a double bottom move up, and I'll check the ATR. Whatever the ATR of that candle is, I take my targets accordingly. One ATR above, one ATR below. So I hope you get it now. Only enter once you have an entry condition. So in this case, we had a break of 50 EMA, close of 50 EMA, and the market is now pushing down. I expect the market to hit this green zone as expected, and from where we look for buy trades. I will only go for long trades if we have a move up, break above 50 EMA with a bullish pressure to take long trades. So right now below 50 EMA, I will take a counter trade once we have a hit of this green zone. Let's check on Ovanda. So right here on Ovanda, we have a break of this candle. We didn't get any sort of move from this 50 EMA. Instead, we had a break of 50 EMA. Now I'm expecting more bearish pressure once we have a break of this gray zone. Let's say we have a break of 4.441. Why I want to see a break of this gray zone, this one, is because I can see this gray zone is acting as a very minor support. It's not a major support, but on 1 hour time frame, you can see this zone has acted as a resistance. Right here, market pushed up from this zone, and as a support right here, market pushed up from this zone, and as a resistance right here, we had a minor push down. We had this zone acted as a resistance from this area. So that's why it's important to see a break of this gray zone. If we have a break, then yes, I expect a further move down to this green zone, which is 4.233, and goes down to 4.154, from where I will look for buying trades, either in golfer or double top or double bottom move or a pin bar from this zone. If we do not get any sort of entry condition in this zone, any buying condition, then I will still not look for buying trades. I will look for buying trades from this zone. I will look for a sell opportunities until we are below 50 EMA. I will only look for a pullback and we get an engulfing candle and I'll take short trades. And again, guys, if you want to learn how to take pullback trades between this resistance and support zone, you can join one of my partner broker where I send you trade ideas with the candlestick patterns, and I also send the support and resistance zones every week. Every Monday I send these zones to traders so that they can take counter trades once we are in at this zone. So if not, that's totally cool. Just hit a subscribe button for me, hit a like button for me so that you receive daily updates about natural gas and other commodity markets. So let's check gold. Okay, so right here, gold is above 50 EMA. We have this engulfing candle. Based on that, see a bounce from gold. I expect to see gold to hit at least 1948 above that, as we have this engulfing candle right here. It shows the bullish pressure, so I expect a move up from gold, a bounce from gold. As you can see, we have this nice bullish candle bounce up from 50 EMA. So that's all for now, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green. Till then, take care.